Hey, welcome to Southeast Missouri Real Estate with Wendy Flynn, your local residential real estate expert. I'm here today with Sandy Schooley of Hallmark Mortgage. She's going to clarify some confusion for us regarding private mortgage insurance. Sandy, can you tell me, why does a buyer even need private mortgage insurance?
Well, good morning and thanks for asking me to do this. And private mortgage insurance is a part of almost every loan that I do because most people do not have 20% down. As if you don't have 20% down, you're going to have private mortgage insurance.
Okay. Well, who benefits?
It's the lender. It's a coverage for the lender. Some people call it default insurance. And what it does is it covers the lender for the top 20% of the loan if you should default on the loan.
Okay, so it protects the lender if a buyer, a new owner of a home, stops making payments. That mortgage insurance kicks in so the lender has the surety that deficit of income for those mortgage payments, that's where the mortgage insurance is going to pick that up and make sure that gets paid where the new owner should be making those payments.
Well, when the lender has to repossess a house that there is more than 80% of the value owed on it, it makes it very hard for them to resell and come out of it.
Okay.
And so PMI insurance was developed to encourage them to make a loan to you if you qualify for PMI mortgage.
And so how much does PMI cost?
Well, it's different on every borrower. It goes by your loan to value, the type of loan. It goes by your credit score. So all of those things come into play.
I don't know if you can do this, but ballpark, if I were to purchase a home for say $150,000, am I looking at 50, 100, 150, 200? What? I'm just looking for a ballpark. Okay. Any idea what that nugget would cost?
Again, that depends on the type of loan. On FHA, it's 0.85% of the loan amount.
Okay.
And then you divide that by 12 and it gets added to your payment.
So then I've got my principal and interest. I've got my property taxes and my homeowners insurance factored into that, and in addition, this PMI.
Right, and if you're using, let's say, using FHA, and it's $100,000, that's $850 divided by 12 that's going to get added to your payment.
So you said up to 20%. So if I'm not putting 20% down, I'm going to expect to pay PMI.
Yes.
Okay. Then can I get rid of PMI when I hit that 20% equity, or how does that work?
Well, that again, the type of loan is involved. USDA and FHA, the PMI stays on for the life of the loan. If you do a conventional loan, then it comes off it automatically comes off at 78% loan to value.
But I would have to refinance. Then if I wanted to get rid of PMI on a government loan, I'm going to have to refinance as a conventional and prove that 20% equity is there.
Well, the trick to it is when you go to closing on a conventional loan, there's actually a document in the closing that tells you the actual date that they anticipate that you'll reach 78% and that PMI will come off. On the others, then you have to, like FHA and USDA, you'd have to refinance to get out of it.
Is there any other way to avoid paying PMI, or I'm just kind of stuck with if I can't put 20% down?
Years ago, there used to be a loan, an 80-20 loan, which was actually you were borrowing 100%. But that has kind of gone away. But then I'm hearing rumblings that it's coming back. So that I know of, there's no way to get out of PMI if you do not have 20% down.
Okay, good to know. So do lenders shop for PMI like we would shop for shop rates on other types of insurance, or is that pretty standardized?
No, we have several PMI companies that I really, I can just go in and look at each and every one and see which one gives us the best premium. I can go in and get quotes on each one. When I put a file into the system, all of the pertinent information is there. And so then I can also hit the MI thing on our servicing in our system and check each one of those companies to see which one's going to give us the best rate for that particular customer.
Nice. Okay, so then that kind of eliminates my next question, which was, can I choose where I buy my PMI? And I don't have to take care of that because you got it for me. Okay,
I'm
good,
doing
good.
everything I can to keep your payment down, which is going to make you happy and want to
Good.
work with me. So.
Awesome. I think that's all I've got for you at that time. But if any of you have any additional questions about PMI, shoot us a message. Put something on my post. Text me. My number is 573-380-0553. You can email me at wflynn@remax.net. Do you want to share your information, Sandy? They can get it straight from you.
Sandy Schooley. My phone number is 573-450-2992. And you can reach me at Schooley at 1 Hallmark.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining us. And thank you for joining us.